Are you crazy to make chocolates without chocolate bites and with the help of the curd? Let's check it. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today now I am making one of the craziest recipe, curd chocolate. With the help of curd, plain curd and sugar, butter, I am making the curd chocolate without any chocolate bites or chocolate molds. I am making the curd chocolates. Let's check the recipe and ingredients, how I am making. Plain curd 1 cup, sugar half cup, butter or ghee 60 grams. This is the recipe for curd chocolate. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First, take the vessel, turn the flame, add the curd. Let's cook it on low flame. It come into the closer when you cook nicely. Whisk it continuously when you are cooking, otherwise it will spoil easily. Curd, how it's curdled. Then add sugar powder and again whisk continuously. Sugar and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. Add butter little bit, add slowly and again whisk it. It will changes the color and make it thick. Next add again 1 spoon butter, and again whisk it. You can see the color changing easily into brown color. Don't add the ghee or butter directly. Add little bit for a few minutes and again drop it. Don't add at a time. It will spoil easily and make it curdle. Make thick consistency and again 1 spoon of butter. Add continuously like this and again whisk it. For this chocolate, the most important process is whisk continuously. It's solid texture and cook it until brown color on low flame. Finally, you can see it came to the very brown color little bit, and come to the closer to. Then switch off the flame and chill it for 10 minutes and make a round balls, or you can set it in a plate. I don't have chocolate molds to set like this, that's why I'm using the plate. Grease the oil or ghee and set into like this. set it into like this chocolate cut. If you don't have molds or you don't have any covers, keep it like this. It's same like eclairs chocolate. Keep it in a side. And again I am showing, take the dough. It like this, like eclairs chocolate, and keep aside. Very hard to do. For 2 cups of curd, I got the total 15 chocolates. Now I am tasting. Nice recipe, and follow this correct exactment recipe. Thanks for watching. With the curd.